afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Santorini, where the local time is just coming to 13 minutes to 2. I'd like to thank you very much for your patience and your understanding regarding today's flight. Now know that you're still going to be very much eager to get off your seats and start your onward journeys. However, I am going to ask you very nicely to please remain in your seats and keep your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt signs above you switch off. Again, please remain seated until the seatbelt signs above you switch off, not when the aircraft comes to its first stop, as it is parking and therefore can still move quite sharply. Therefore, to protect yourselves from any injuries, best wait for the little signs to switch off first. Doors are open and of course you've been invited to park. Please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you. You do not want to leave anything behind, especially when you have to pay to get them back. Therefore, it is not going to harm you to do double check in your seat pockets, underneath the seats and in the overhead lockers. Please do take care and open the overhead lockers in case anything may move.